Today we'll talk about how can you earn rewards on your Goodnovel app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here, just click on it. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on earn rewards. You come to next step here, just waiting, and here can you check in here. Just click on it, and here you get this bonus, and here can you watch ad to get bonus here. So and here can you here so can you get this bonus here in this list on your Goodnovel app. So that's all you have to do. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.